Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply income tax stenographer step by step. Begin by reading the official vacancy notice carefully and note qualifications, deadlines, and application channels to avoid missteps. Next, list required documents like ID, educational certificates, and any Form 1099 if applicable. Prepare neat copies, verify details twice, and set reminders for submission windows so nothing is missed. Confirm eligibility first by checking age limits, required diplomas, shorthand proficiency, and typing speed criteria listed in the vacancy notice. If a shorthand or typing test is required, practice with timed drills and simulate exam conditions. Check any additional requirements like residency or veteran status that could affect priority or documentation, so your application is accurate and competitive. Assemble all documents before starting the application to avoid delays. Government ID, degree certificates, experience letters, and any specific forms the announcement requests. Make clean typed copies and keep originals together in one folder for quick access. Complete application forms slowly, verify dates and signatures, and scan everything into clear PDFs if online submission is required to maintain professional presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.